Jisung here. Today, I will explain passkeys in the simplest way possible. No hard word, no confusing tech terms. You can understand even if you have no software knowledge basis. I will show you a real demo, then you will see how it actually works. By end of this video, you will get the full picture. You will know how passkeys work and how to add them to your own project. Let's start simple. Think of a passkey like a special stamp. You have your own unique stamp and only you can use it. The gateway, which is going to be your website, has a copy of your stamp print. Not a stamp itself, just a paper print. Step number 1. You knock the door and you ask, may I come in? Step number 2. So the guard hands you a piece of stamp paper and he says, this is the paper is a one-time use only. After this one, this is going to be gone. So you, using your own stamp onto the paper, Touch ID or Face ID, confirms it's really you. The paper now has your own mark over here. In the next step, you hand stamp the paper back to the guard, and the stamp itself stays with you, always. Next step, number 5. The guard compares the stamp to the print on the file. Same shape, it's proof over here. Last step, if the matches, then door open, then you are in. Here are 3 things you should remember. Your stamp stays with you. The paper is a one-time use. The print can be faked. That's why passkeys are so hard to break. Before diving into the tech terms, I will give you quick reminders. Don't sweat it, it's easy. RPID is just your domain, like example.com, yourdomains.com. Private key, that's your stamp. It stays on your device using your finger or face. Public key, that's your stamped paper. It's simple. That's all you need to know. Okay, now here's a real technical flow. Same story, but a little bit slightly different names. Step number 1, your browser asks the server, hey, I want to log in. The server is a relying party over here, your domain. So the number 2, the server sends back the random challenges, just like a fresh paper. It's only good for generally about 3 minutes. Step number 3, your browser asks your devices to sign in. Touch ID or Face ID pops up, depends on your device. So your private key signs the challenge. The key never leaves your device ever. Number 4, your browser sends a signed package to the server, the signature, the data, and your ID. And here's number 5. The server checks the 5 things. Does the public key match? Is the challenge correct? Is the signature valid? Is this device or new unknown? And then issue a session. Here's a last number 1. User and expire set. It could be your token, JWT token. Your private key never leaves from your device. So there's nothing for hackers to steal and nothing for AI to crack it. Generally, there are 2 types of passkeys. First one is platform passkey. These lives on your original device. It could be your laptop or phone or Android devices, mobile devices, Touch ID, Face ID, Windows Hello. Second one is a cross-platform. These works for all across the devices. Hardware security keys like a YubiKey or Bluetooth from your phone to your computer. Most teams start with a platform, which is innate devices. If you need stronger devices or fallback strategy or add more cross-platform, then Bluetooth or hardware security key. Here's a pros. Why passkeys are amazing? First, way more secure than passwords. There is no shared secret to leak. Nothing to phish. Second, it's seamless. One touch ID, you are in. No typing, no forget tab password, no SMS code. Third, perfect for admin for back office tools. Small team, same devices, no B2C complexity. This is where Passkeys shines. But there's another cons of the Passkeys you need to be aware of. Let's be honest, Passkeys are not perfect. First one, hard to recover. If you lose your device or didn't sync, you are logged out. So you need to back up or fallback options. Number two, not supported on all the devices. If your team is on, let's say that 2015 laptops or Windows XP, Passkeys is not gonna work because Passkeys only support latest devices. Third, not for B2C yet. The regular users still get confused. And before your internal team, it's going to be perfect because some of the customers have multiple devices for phone or laptop or desktop, or in that cases, they need to register each passkey of each devices. They cannot use the login using desktop, the passkey, which is not registered. You need to keep in mind. Okay, let's get down to the project code. Okay, this is the project demo. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to share this template code in the next couple of videos. So this demonstration is for just the showcases, just to watch it, how it works. So I'm in here. I can register two types of passkeys. So first, I'm going to start with the platform. So I will name as a Safari, iPhone Safari SF. iPhone here. Mac. So I will choose this platform first. And then as you can see here, there are two types of platforms over here. iCloud Keychain is Apple. So if you register one passkey in this device, you can share one passkey all across of the Apple devices, iPhone or MacBook or Mac Air. So I will choose this one. Then as you can see here, the installation is pop up, and then using this finger, then one passkey is registered. Let me try another passkey. This is offered by the Chrome here. As you can see here, the UI layout is slightly different. So let me register it. Okay, so to registration in databases, let's sign in with this one. Then you are logged in. And sign out. Try another Safari in here. Here. And then you are logged in. Perfect. Let me try with cross-platform. For this demo, I'm going to use these small, tiny devices. Can you see that? Over here. This is a YubiKey. You can purchase it at Amazon. Here, I'm going to choose hardware devices, which is going to be cross-platform. And let me insert in here. And then create a new passkey. See here, it's a pop-up. So during registration is completed in the databases. So let me sign with cross-platform. There you go. So during registration is completed, one for cross-platform, two for another each Chrome and the keychain. You might notice that if I choose hardware devices and create a passkey, there's one more options for this QR code. You can register this passkey using another mobile devices, such as your iPhone or your Galaxy, the Android devices. This is for the fallback strategy when your devices or desktop doesn't support latest passkey login. So it is going to be very useful using the mobile devices in order to log in. As you can see in the demo, Passkeys are the new global security standard required by US government, used by big tech. And the best place to start? Probably your internal tools or admin panel, back office tools. In the next video, I will show you project tool in demo and give you the guideline how you can integrate your own project. Subscribe and follow me on X. See you soon.